The objective of a good maintenance plan is stick to your budget, work on jobs that can be done during operation, and try to minimize the work scope which you could have done during operation. So this is typical planning for high level maintenance. This maintenance has got a high volume of equipment that has to be condition evaluated, and it is important to ensure that we find the measurements so that you can plan your maintenance further, and in the bargain you would avoid non-productive time. The goal is zero non-productive time. 1% is allowed, okay, but you should not allow this to happen. So this is the entire story of this maintenance plan. It's a high level maintenance, well managed and done in time. Thank you for watching. It's very important to follow the guidelines of your condition evaluation sheets in conjunction with your maintenance planning activity task sheet. So these will prompt you exactly what you need to do, how you need to do the job in a timeline, with safety as the main concern and a priority for good, energized, strong, gold standard maintenance. Thank you and enjoy this lovely video. I will take you and run you through this process. You will enjoy it and you will thank me for this, I hope. 2/4, okay. So we are okay with our measurements, and also the number of grooves is the most important part, and actually the ends, that should be centralized. Okay, thank you. Changing the LEBUS is not a very difficult task, but we have to decide when the jack is placed in place and it's tightened and given a high pressure, to make sure you push as hard as possible and start welding the points on the plug hole. Keep moving, but you go from here and you go to here, and then you keep going on a staggered way, and followed by a procedure with an excellent welder. So the LEBUS work is almost going to be finished. We finished the welding on the side plates. We also completed on both the sides. The plug holes have been ground and finished to the wire line size of 138. These plug holes are for lifting, and they will be also plugged, and there will not be any projection. So just to let you know, the bottom half has been welded internally, the top half is left the way it is.
Yes.
And a gap of 1/8 inch is there on both the sides.
Yes.
So it is important to do this, because once you tighten your wire line with load of around 200-250 tons,
Yeah.
is that right?
Yes.
This gap will close. So this
Yes.
is the actual procedure, and we are following the entire process and procedure as per LEBUS in their document what they sent to us. So this is the other side of the second half, and you can see a gap of 1/8 inch, which is perfectly okay. So this gap will close during operation with maximum load, and it will be joined together, and you will not see this gap. It will look just like this. So these holes will be plugged, and we put thread lock over here, and then we will cut it over here, and you will get a shape similar to this one. So this is the drilling line where it projects and comes out. We have to make sure that it is all rounded and there are no burrs that will damage the drilling line. This is a typical mud pump job that could be done during operation, but let me tell you, if you do it during a maintenance time, you can pick up key observations on inspections of major bearing component failure. During an operation, it is very, very hard to hit the right areas of inspection. Our expert chief mechanic doing an excellent job. He's taking the bearing clearance and he's doing the right job. He's following the task. Everything recorded.
Hit.
Excellent, excellent. Good job. So this is how we are trying to pull out the shaft. So this shaft is sitting on this drum, which is it. So what's happening is we are trying to heat top and bottom and cool the shaft and trying to push, but unfortunately it's a tight fit. So now we work on plan B. Technical support. So let me tell you what's happening with the LEBUS on the drawers. So you can see here, these are all the plug holes. Have to be filled with weld on all the plug holes, and then they have to be ground to take the shape of the wire line, which is around 1/3/8 inch. It is very important 1/8 gap or 4 mm gap on either side of the LEBUS halves. This is to maintain consistency, and also the weld will go through and through. The gap is sufficient enough to have a good strong weld. So a maintenance management, long time major maintenance system works only when you work with the budget and try to minimize doing offline maintenance during maintenance. Manage it very well. Follow your maintenance guide which comes from activity form. Follow the form, follow the processes, follow the country regulations, and match them together to make it a safe maintenance with a minimum budget and maximum condition evaluation for future non-applicable shutdown, which is the goal, so that your rig will not shut down due to failure in condition evaluation. Thank you. So what we're going to do here is, so this is where the grease seal sits. The bearing, which is this one, okay, this is the inner race, this will sit over here, and then this is the area for the lock ring. The lock ring will sit here. Unfortunately, we cannot work with any kind of machining, so for the moment we will put the lock ring here and we will weld the lock ring in place. The only solution is to change this entire assembly, because there is no way you can machine this due to its weight. Let's have